Alright everyone, welcome to another Radio Free Cybertron Reviews. I'm your host Diecast, and today we have Yolopark Optimus Prime model kit, which, again, this is the second one I'm reviewing. We already did Optimus Primal. If you missed that video, you can go back and check that out. But this is more like a more advanced build-a-figure to me. Really like the packaging on here. You got, some nice pictures. Transformers Rise of the Beasts. Got a little crushed. You can see they pretty much show you how to assemble it on the back of the box, but it's also going to come with a card in the box. And these figures just look amazing, especially for the price point of $30 to $40, depending on where you get them from. They're just super nice, officially licensed, of course. Let's go ahead and... Oh, I never opened this one up. Come on. Just open this up, and then you can see it comes in the parts tray. Very nice. You could actually do this without instructions to put this together. But like I said, they also come with a one-piece instruction card that's a little bit easier to read and more detailed than what you get on the back of the box, but not very hard to put together at all. Not like those other model kits. I really enjoy this. Just kind of gotta rip it apart. There are some clips that hold the top cover on. I'll just kind of straighten everything out on the parts tray. So you got multiple hand options here. These two little bits. But let's go ahead and start getting this put together. So first thing we want to do, just like Optimus Primal, we start with the head and chest. And I love how even some of these parts are already done. Like they say to put the windshield on, but that's already done. You see it's got really nice paint. You got an Autobot insignia on the grill right there, which looks super nice. Just really, really painted well and detailed well. And the posability is great on these too. So pop Optimus Prime's head on, and then you're pretty much done for that piece. Now we got to start building the arm. So just grab the arm right here, and then some of these bits kind of jumped all over the place. So hopefully I have this right. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. Here we go. Start with this piece. Put this on right here. And now we can take this piece, and this piece will go right in here. Maybe? Yes. Then we'll take his arm piece with the Autobot logo. That's going to tab in right there. So you can see we're just building basically his shoulder. This piece right here will go and tab in right here. And then we'll grab this smokestack. Smokestack will clip on right here. And then we'll just grab one of his hands. That's the wrong hand. Grab a closed fist hand. Put that on. And there you have one arm all done. So do the second one same way. I noticed this while I was building the other arm. When you bend this elbow, there's even a little piece that gets out of the way. So you have the double hinged elbow, which is really nice. Gives you really good bend. Just so impressed with these figures. And actually found out today, I noticed on Facebook that they are also going to do a Scourge from the Rise of the Beast movie, which I am super excited about. And then, of course, like I mentioned in the other review, if you go on Kickstarter, they're doing a G1 Megatron with some die-cast parts, which I think is going to be absolutely amazing too. And I recommend everyone jump on that. And you know, hopefully we can get enough interest in these to do a G1 Optimus Prime, because I think if that Megatron does well, that'll pretty much guarantee us a Prime. Then we'll do a splayed open hand, pop that on, and now we'll take the top half of Prime, we'll give him some arms. Here we go, Mr. Prime. Oh, I want them to do a G1 Ultra Magnus too, that way we can, you know, pull him apart like he was in the movie when he got blown up by all the Scourges, and then we can put him back together again. That would be pretty cool. So hopefully they go deep enough into that G1 rabbit hole. That would be awesome. Let me know in the comments if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Anything you can do really helps me out. So just go ahead and, you know, while you're watching the video, just hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. It will give me an idea if you want me to keep doing these reviews or not, or maybe you don't want me to, which is, you know, that's fine too. Leave me a comment. So let's build some legs. As you can see, not too difficult. Mostly comes built already. But just snap these in. I might do that upside down. No, that looks right. Shouldn't be grabbing pieces for the left side and the right side at the same time. That's a bad idea. Clip that on. And you got this piece right down here, which this will go on the back here. And I guess we also have to give him a foot. And snap that in. There we go. You can see nice articulation on the foot. You got a rocker. You got some up and back. You got a toe forward. Just really nice articulation all through. Double jointed knee. And we'll just stick that on Prime. even the waist section here, you get nice articulation on these pieces. You get side to side. You get nab crunch. I mean, these figures are just... If you're not getting these figures, if you like good non-transforming figures, you guys need to jump on these. The only reason I can see people not getting these is if you don't like non-transforming figures. And there's those people out there, and I understand that. I don't mind non-transforming figures. For the money, I mean, I'll do a comparison with an RED figure, or a red figure, or whatever that special Walmart line is that you want to call that. But these are just, I mean, for basically $5 or $10 more, these are just so much better than the red figures ever could be. There we go. And these hips actually swing forward, so to get them seated, this one's already seated. I just had to swing it forward a little bit, but man, look how good this figure looks. It is just absolutely amazing. And tons of nice articulation on this guy. Hopefully you've seen the articulation going through the build process. I'm not gonna hamper on it too much, but there you go. There is Optimus Prime, and also they said he doesn't come with any weapons, unlike Optimus Primal. But Yolopark has said that they are gonna send some parts, some weapons for these guys with future releases, which is really nice. So, as you can see, these is how Optimus Prime and Optimus Primal look together from Rise of the Beasts, and they are just amazing. Really loving these figures. I just wanted to show off a couple hand options. Here you have a splayed out hand for his left hand. You got a right hand 2-finger pointing. I don't know why they didn't go with the 1 finger. They gave him the 2 pointing fingers. You have a what looks to be a gun holding hand, even though he doesn't come with a gun, but like I said, I do think they're going to correct that. And then you also get a standard fist for his right hand there. Alright, so here Optimus Prime is next to an RID figure. Just so you can get... this thing is such a piece of junk. But just, you know, I think that's a $20–$25 figure. This is a $30 to $40 figure, depending on where you buy it from. Obviously, I would rather purchase this all day long. And just so you can get a size comparison with a Voyager figure, here it is with Siege Voyager Optimus Prime, to get a size comparison there. So, highly recommend these figures. Check out their Kickstarter for the G1 Megatron, and also look out for their Scourge figure, because I think that's going to be pretty cool. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get an email when I put a review up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.